Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Adam from TechFest here, bringing you guys a video. Today we'll be going over this week's PC build. So for starters, we have an i5 6500 3.2 GHz quad-core processor. And seeing I'm not planning on overclocking, I'm not going to throw in a CPU cooler, but you could if you wanted to, and I'll link one below. And also the PC part picker permalink will be listed below, and I'll link some good CPU coolers too. So we're going with the ASRock H110M, and of course updates are ready to install on Windows. Micro ATX board. 16 gigs of RAM from G.Skill should be plenty from this build, and the Ripjaws V-Series looks beautiful in this build. And Kingston SSD now, by the way, this is an $800 build. Kingston SSD now, V300 120 gig SSD, and 1 terabyte provided by Western Digital. Now, I went with an RX 480 8 gig from Gigabyte for $240, and the reason I went with this is to stay consistent with, to stay consistent with the color scheme. 2, the extra VRAM could help in certain applications, and I know most of you would say the 1060, but to get one, this is a color scheme build, an $800 black and red color scheme, and that would be 60 extra bucks for a 1060. And the RX 480 is a great card. It's all you need to save a little bit of money. And then we have the NZXT S340 black and red, which is such a beautiful case for 67 bucks. And then juicing everything up is 600 watts of EVGA power, which is 80 plus browns, which is plenty for the build, which runs about 316 watts. So if you guys like this PC build, I'll leave it a like. If you have any changes that you do besides the GTX 1060, I know, I should have put that, but I felt the RX 480 matched color scheme. For 60 extra bucks, it's fine. Leave a like down below. Oh, if you liked it, comment down below any changes you would make to this build in a $700 build. And I thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.